couldn't get an OEM filter.
Oh no.
Oh, that might explain why the engine's a little bit gunged up there.
I've got a new microphone. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't know if this is the first time you're going to see it or not, or hear it I should say, because I might have used it, sometimes the videos get mixed around, but anyway, I finally bought a new microphone. I know I've been going on about it. All you, however many subscribers I have, thank you for putting up with the horrific audio in the previous videos. I do notice it and I do hate it, but I'm rubbish at making YouTube videos. But I have a good go. I enjoy playing with cars and stuff, so why not bring you guys along with me? So yeah, hopefully you can hear me nicely. Anyway, video today is on the Vitara. We're going back to have a quick look at that. Just on my way home, I'm gonna go meet Reg. He has ordered a gasket. We mentioned, I don't know if you saw the video up there of when we bought the or he bought the Vitara. Quick backstory, he bought it because his Land Rover's broken. Surprise, Land Rover's brake. So this is just to get him around for a few months. But when we bought it, or he bought it, I keep saying we, when he bought it, we noticed there was a rocker cover leak, so we're just hopefully just going to go and sort that out for him today. He's got the gasket, and we both got a little bit of spare time, so we're going to go and do that today. So we'll take you along, as always, and we'll hopefully sort that out. So yeah, we will see. Sorry, that was my cousin there driving a big lorry. Random. Anyway, I'll see you there. Lidl's tools in full effect. So we're going to start. You've got to take this off. Let's get the camera out of the way.
Get rid of that. What?
Right. Oh, you get this little adapter.
What?
Yeah, it's only the best.
That is random, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that
Why didn't they just make it all quarter?
That didn't come with that.
What didn't? The ratchet?
No, that's from Halfords. That was just like a random little set.
Oh, I thought the ratchet came with it. I was like, well, that is random. I've never seen that before.
No, I bought a cheap eBay jobby, and it all just fell apart. So I only needed the ends.
Nice. Wait, that was another. What? So, hopefully, if we undo these, we can just. I don't know if this is just a cover. Oh, it is just a cover. Don't know. Let's just take it off anyway. Don't know if we need to take this off, but cheers. We can just take it off anyway.
Yeah.
Wow!
What is that?
I have no idea.
Fluff.
Probably asbestos actually. The age of the car.
You reckon?
Could well be.
Yeah.
Just gonna pop that back on.
Yeah, I would not touch that.
Yeah, just gonna pop that back on there. Hold your breath.
You breathe through your nose, it's fine.
Right, yeah, I don't know what that is anyway. So
Does it split here, no?
no, it's just like that weird cover.
Why don't you just undo it here? Or here?
Because I can't lift it without lifting the whole throttle body.
Surely not.
By the looks of it. Hang on, we're outside, we'll be alright. Let's just try and move whatever that cap is of weird stuff. No, there's no join. There's just a nut there.
Yeah, I think. What? Oh, look, it's there. There's a. Yeah, you don't want to do that. No, that's not asbestos.
Could have asbestos in it.
Yeah, it looks like fiberglass, but I don't want to touch anyway.
No.
We're not googling it.
No, because it probably is asbestos. What do you mean, how to do it?
Yeah, how to do it, because that's failing.
That is failing. What if I just take that?
There's a little nut there.
Where?
That looks too high. I reckon it's this. Okay, just... Oh, shh.
There's a lot of dust coming off that. Run away!
Well, that's pretty much cleared. Should we have like paper suits on? I reckon now that just comes off. That hose comes off. That had to come off. Maybe that was supposed to be.
There's a gasket under here. There'll be a gasket there. There's a rubber. That off. That off. That off.
Yeah.
See what happens. Asbestos.
Bless you, me.
Don't think that engine mount's too good. Cool stuff in the channel.
There she goes. Glove?
Glove. Glove I do.
On the glove. There's the money shot. She's looking a bit dark, Reg.
Oh dear. I think she's had an oil change in the last century.
No. Should we get a little...
She's thick. Oh boy, she's thick, boy.
That is grim. I reckon that...
It's not that good.
That hasn't had an oil change in years.
A very, very long time.
There you go. I mean, she's a peach though.
You can't even see the screws underneath the sludge. Oh my god. Look at the sludge.
That is nasty.
Yeah, I think she needs an oil change whilst. And a flush. That's a sign of an engine that hasn't had its oil change for a long time. Now she's crispy. How crunchy it is. There you go, it's still in the same shape.
She's rigid. Wish the valve cover on my N54 was this easy. Oh. I don't believe that. That couldn't have gone any better. Can you see it?
Yeah, that's right.
Where? Oh my god. That'd be alright in there, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
That is
disintegrate, wasn't it?
That's proper in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Was he?
What do you reckon?
She's in. I'll make sure that seal was sat alright. Stuff poking out the sides or anything?
Can't see any. This paint scraper is from Blue Point,
Yes.
not Lidl.
Yes. That is off the van.
Explain yourself, please.
That is off that robbery van that goes around. Fair bit of play in that man. Probably a video for another day. So you can really tell if there's not just revving it like that, but if you really want to know, put it into drive and then watch the engine go.
Oh really?
As it tries to turn the car, yeah.
Oh, right.
Leave the handbrake on, put it in drive, watch it try and turn it.
Spin itself rather than...
Does it.
No.
Don't think the handbrake's very good because all it done was just move forward.
I nearly got run over. I bet it's absolutely rammed.
I've just chewed that screw up. There's another one now.
No, the worst comes to worst, you can drill them out and just put some tappers in there, wasn't it?
So, have you got a bigger screwdriver?
No.
With your Phillips? I think that's what.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, that one went. How many dead animals do you expect to find in here?
3 rabbits and a little tool bag. How does it get in there?
Jesus.
Does it go through the wing?
Tight. There's nothing left of that screw. That's it. Perfect. Go on, Nigel.
Christ.
Properly rusted in there, isn't it?
Can you push down as I give it the Barry? Ready? Look. Yes! There she goes.
There we go. Nice, now give it a good push and it'll go. Yeet it. Nice.
Yes!
Nice. Let's see. Is this recording anything?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, let's get it. Oh! Excellent!
Are you joking?
Oh, that might explain why the engine's a little bit gunged up there.
Unbelievable.
Wow!
Why would you just take it out?
So there isn't one? Well, there we go. That explains that.
Brilliant.
Well, that might explain why there's so much sort of gunk and debris in the engine, is because there is no air filter. Excellent.
Couldn't write it.
It's just what you want.
Well, on that note, I think we're going to have to go and buy another air filter.
Couldn't get an OEM filter.
Oh no. There's a cone filter in that.
Boom.
Oh my god. Wow.
It fits nicely under the bonnet, as you can see.
Brilliant. Okay.
Well, I think it sucks in mostly
Most of that.
fiberglass and whatever else it is.
Right, should we fix that now?
I think it's already fixed.
No, I've got something.
Ooh, ouch.
Is that hot?
Yeah,
hot
it's
air?
probably should
You've
be
ruined.
a heat shield there.
You've ruined that.
What?
You basically made it so it's just pulling hot air in directly into the.
Ah, that's going to melt as well, isn't it? Look at that.
That is horrific. What do you mean you can get an OEM?
Can get one. That's to order it, special order, whatever it was.
Wow.
Like, no, not doing it.
That is funny.
Cone filter.
What, so you can leave it like that?
Yep.
Amazing.
I'm gonna get rid of that. Get rid of the airbox, put it in the boot. So if the next person wants to put the original one back in, they can.
Fair enough.
But so when that's gone, there's gonna be loads of space there.
That's hilarious.
That's great, isn't it?
No. So that is how you make a hot air intake.